T16D and T12D transmitters can be used to control different models. Users can save multiple models on T16D and T12D, but sometimes you may have accidentally modified the parameters of a model and could not find which parameter has been modified. You can reset this model, but the current reset function will clear all the settings of your model. To solve this problem, T16D and T12D have added a new function to restore customized model settings. The function can save backup data for all the models, which is very useful for both individual customers and the business customers. For example, a business customer sells a robot which comes with our T16D and T12D. Once their customers have messed up the settings, they cannot control the robot. And this function can back up model data to avoid the users to mess up their model settings. And to get the function, please make sure the firmware version of your T16D and T12D is above version 1.8.2. Enter main menu, transmitter settings, about. And we can see the software version, or can say firmware version, is version 1.8.3, which is above version 1.8.2, so it supports the new function. You can download the latest firmware from RadioLink official website. And how to restore customized model settings on T16D and T12D, and there are 3 steps in total. And we take T16D as an example. 1. Set the customized model on T16D. This step is to simulate the process of model setting. Users can set their customized models according to their needs. For example, I use T16D to control a car. Enter main menu, transmitter settings, model. And I select model 1. We can see the model 1 here. And I rename model 1 to model car. Model car. And this is the name of my model. Save it. Then I can set my customized settings for model 1 or model car. And enter basic menu settings, AUX-CH. And I want to assign switch A to control channel 5, switch B for channel 6, switch C for channel 7, and switch D for channel 8. And I need to set the switches here. Switch B for channel 6, switch C for channel 7, and switch D for channel 8. And I also set now for other channels. And these are the settings for my model car that I want to back up. Power off T16D. 2. Connect T16D to the computer and copy the model into System Model folder. Here is a computer. Connect T16D to the computer with a Type-C keyboard. Click it. It is connected. And push 2 trim buttons to the middle. And power on T16D. Press push button to enter USB mode. Open this PC. And this is the disk of T16D. Open it. And we can see 5 folders here, including firmware, model, script, sounds, and system model. Open model folder. And these are all the models on T16D. And model 1 is the model car that we have said before, and I want to back up the model 1. So I need to copy model 1. Then open system model. And I need to paste model 1 here. And if you want to back up all the models on your T16D, you also need to paste all the models here. And press the end button to exit the USB mode. Long press the power button.
Welcome to RadioLink.
T16D is powered on. 3. If you have messed up the model settings, reset the model and the customized model setting will be restored. And sometimes users may accidentally modify any parameter and mess up the model setting. For example, enter basic menu setting, AUX-CH. And I mess up the settings by setting null for all the channels. Now I want to restore my customized model settings. I need to enter transmitter setting, model, and select model car. It is also model 1. And I need to select reset. Yes. Model 1 is reset, and let's check if my settings have been restored. And return to basic manual setting. AUX-CH. We can say switch A, B, C, D are used to control channel 5 to channel 8, which means the settings of model 1 are restored to the original values that I have set before. In a word, after you copy and paste the model into System Model folder, the model reset will restore the customized model settings. And by the way, if you still want to restore the model settings to the factory default after you have backup the model data into System Model folder, you can enter Transmitter Setting, About, and select Factory Reset. But pay attention, restoring to factory setting will reset system settings and all the model data. Yeah, I'll show it, and click Yes. And wait for the factory reset. And then return to AUX-CH. You can see the settings here are restored to the factory default. And if you just want to reset your customized model to the factory default settings, you can delete this model in System Model folder. Then it still can reset to the factory default settings. So that's all about how to restore customized model settings on T16D and T12D.